about consent, baby. Let's talk about what will be. And if we both agree that you and me get sexually, let's talk about consent, baby. Let's talk about consent, baby.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Sex Talk with Ayana. I'm your host, and on tonight's episode, we're going to be talking about that big C word. I know what y'all are thinking, but it's consent. Have you ever wondered what's the right way to get consent? Because you don't want to seem too beggy. Well, you're in luck because tonight I brought with me a guest, and she's a sexy consent chef, and she's going to be teaching us how to cook up that very sexy consent you've all been looking for. Now, this ain't your grandmama's recipe, but it's the next best thing. So, Z, what do you have for us today?
Hey y'all, and thanks for having me. So today we're going to be talking about sexy consent. Consent is permission for your partner to do something to you or for you to do something to your partner. And today I'm going to show you how to make it sexy. I've come up with a recipe that is sure to spice up things in the bedroom, the kitchen,
Yes.
the living room, wherever you want it. Start with connecting with your partner, calling them, meeting up, and if you're together, that's even better. Would you like to discuss your fantasies and limits?
Got you. Hey, babe. Yeah. I've always dreamed of...
That's very important. And then you ask for consent.
Yeah, I would love that. But what if I...
Ayana, can you join us again?
I'm sorry.
All right, here we have the ingredients. We have 2 aroused people,
Love it.
a teaspoon of spice, 2 fantasies, a question or 2, or 3 or 4,
Ooh, that
and a
sounds
little
good.
bit of adventure here and there.
Oh, so we're gonna ask questions like,
Do you want me to touch you there?
how would you like it if I put my tongue there?
Is it okay if I put it in there?
Not really, but what if you put it here?
Oh yes, that was very sexy. I think it's almost done.
Oh, but we have one more ingredient. Let's add some sexual tension to it.
Oh!
I love it.
It's important to remember that consent is always necessary, and you need it each and every time. It's not a bad word. It's actually what makes sex very appealing.
That was really great, Z. Thanks for enlightening us. So that's all we have for you guys today. But just remember that consent is important and you need it every single time. Safe sex out.
Let's talk about consent, baby. Let's talk about what will be. And if we both agree that you and me get sexually, let's talk about consent, baby. Let's